Welcome back to Bell CB, everybody, for a tune-up report for Kevin in Pennsylvania of this Uniden PC-78LTW. I went inside here and I replaced the final transistor with a MOSFET, and we did some receive improvement mods, and this is what we got out of it. Kevin on this watt meter we got 10 watts across the top, coming in about 4.5. 50 watt slug here. We're going to be reading power in the middle. There's 30 and there's 40.
Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, 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 check. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check. Okay. Breaker 19 for radio check. I appreciate it, Joe. You have a good day.